Ever wondered how partnerships fairly split the profits? Today, we're diving deep into how income is distributed between L and K, breaking down the agreements, ratios, and legal considerations that make it all work. First, let's explore the partnership agreement. This document is the cornerstone of their financial relationship. It clearly outlines each partner's contribution, responsibilities, and most importantly, how profits and losses are shared. Next, profit-sharing ratios. These ratios determine the percentage of income each partner receives. For example, if L and K agree on a 60-40 split, L gets 60% of the profits, while K gets 40%. This ratio may be based on initial investment, work contribution, or a combination of factors. Keep in mind that this ratio may not always be equal. It's critical to understand the legal considerations involved. State and federal laws can impact partnership agreements, especially regarding taxation and liability. L and K must ensure their agreement complies with all applicable regulations to avoid legal issues. Always seek professional legal and financial advice when drafting and implementing a partnership agreement. In conclusion, fair and compliant income distribution between L and K depends on a well-defined partnership agreement, clearly stated profit-sharing ratios, and adherence to legal guidelines. Understanding these key components ensures a successful and equitable partnership. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance insights.